Welcome, everyone, to the AI with Arun Show. Today, we're going to dive deep into Claude, an AI assistant created by Anthropic. Whether you're brand new to Claude or have been using it for a while, this video will show you how to unlock its full potential. We'll cover everything from basic features to advanced capabilities that can transform how you work with AI. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to use Claude's unique features to get better results, stay organized, and work more efficiently. Let's get started.
So, what exactly is Claude? Claude is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic, a company focused on AI safety. You can think of Claude as a highly knowledgeable colleague who's available to help you anytime, anywhere. Claude can assist with writing emails and documents, analyzing data, coding and debugging, conducting research, and even creative brainstorming. What makes Claude special are three key qualities. First, it's intelligent. Claude understands context and nuance in conversations, so you don't have to over-explain everything. Second, it's helpful. Claude provides detailed, actionable responses rather than vague suggestions. And third, it's trustworthy. Claude is built with safety in mind and will be honest when it doesn't know something, rather than making up information. Now let's explore the specific features that make Claude so powerful.
Let's talk about one of Claude's most powerful features, artifacts. Artifacts completely change how you work with AI. Here's the problem with most AI assistants. When they create something for you, it just shows up in the chat and then scrolls away as you continue the conversation. Artifacts solve this brilliantly. When Claude creates something substantial, like code, a document, an HTML page, or an interactive app, it automatically opens in a separate panel on the right side of your screen. This means your work stays visible while you continue chatting with Claude. You can see exactly what you're working on at all times. Let me give you a real example. Say you ask Claude to create a to-do list app with drag and drop functionality. Claude generates the entire app instantly, and it appears in the artifact panel where you can actually use it and interact with it. Now, here's the magic. You can keep iterating on it. You might say, add a dark mode toggle. Claude updates the code and you immediately see the change. The app stays visible the entire time, so you can test it as you go. You can create code in any programming language, documents and reports in Markdown or HTML, web applications, interactive diagrams, and data visualizations. Artifacts make the creative process interactive and visual, which is far more efficient than traditional back and forth editing.
Now, let's talk about projects, which is how you stay organized when working with Claude on bigger initiatives. Think of a project as a dedicated workspace. You might create a project for your software application, another for your marketing campaign, and another for your research paper. Here's what makes projects so valuable. First, you can add files to a project, things like documentation, code files, datasets, or reference materials. Claude can then access these files in any conversation within that project, giving it the context it needs. Second, you can set custom instructions that apply to every conversation in the project. For example, in a coding project, you might tell Claude to always write in Python and follow specific style guidelines. Or in a marketing project, you might include your brand voice guidelines. You set these instructions once and they apply automatically to every chat. Third, all your conversations about that topic stay organized together. No more hunting through dozens of chats to find that discussion from last week. Fourth, you can share entire projects with teammates. This is huge for collaboration. Everyone on your team can access the same context and work together seamlessly. And finally, Claude develops an understanding of your project over time. It remembers the decisions you've made, the goals you're working towards, and the specific requirements you have. Projects are perfect for software development, research papers, marketing campaigns, writing books, or any team collaboration. They keep you organized and make sure Claude always has the right context.
One of Claude's most practical features is its ability to create actual files, not just show you content in the chat, but generate real files you can download and use immediately. This is different from just getting text back. When you ask Claude to create a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or code file, Claude actually builds that file for you with proper formatting and structure. Let me break down what Claude can create. For documents, Claude can generate Word files with proper formatting, tables of contents, and styles. It can create PDFs, Markdown files, and formatted reports. For spreadsheets, Claude can build Excel files with formulas, formatting, charts, and multiple sheets. It can work with CSV data files as well. For presentations, Claude creates PowerPoint slides with layouts, images, charts, and speaker notes, complete professional presentations ready to present. And for code, Claude can create scripts in any programming language, Python, JavaScript, you name it, properly formatted and ready to run. Here are some examples of what you might ask. Create a financial analysis spreadsheet with expense tracking and charts. Claude builds the entire Excel file. Generate a project proposal document with sections for objectives, timeline, and budget. You get a formatted Word document. Build a presentation about our Q4 results with charts and talking points. Claude creates the full slide deck. Write Python code to analyze this data and save it as a script. You get a ready-to-use Python file. The key is that these are real, usable files. You download them and they work just like files you'd create yourself, but Claude does all the tedious formatting and structure work for you.
Let's discuss Claude's memory feature, which makes your experience much more seamless over time. Here's the challenge with most AI assistants. Every conversation starts from scratch. If you prefer certain coding styles, or you've explained your role and background, or you have specific requirements, you have to repeat all of that every single time you start a new chat. It's exhausting. Claude's memory solves this problem. When you enable memory, Claude can remember information across all your conversations. This means you explain something once, and Claude retains that information for future chats. What does Claude remember? First, your preferences and working style. If you mention you prefer Python over JavaScript, or you like detailed explanations with examples, Claude remembers that. Second, technical details and requirements. If you're working on a project with specific tech stack requirements or constraints, Claude keeps those in mind. Third, background information you've shared, like your role, your company, or your experience level. Fourth, decisions and agreements from past chats. If you and Claude decided on a certain approach last week, Claude won't forget and suggest something contradictory later. And fifth, your goals and objectives, so Claude can provide advice aligned with what you're trying to achieve. Why does this matter? You save so much time by not repeating yourself. Responses become faster and more relevant because Claude already has context. Your experience is consistent across different chats. Claude learns your preferences over time and gets better at helping you. And importantly, you stay in control. You can review what Claude has remembered, update it, or clear it anytime. Memory is completely optional, and you control it through your settings.
Style customization is about making Claude match how you actually want to communicate. Think about it. You probably talk differently when you're brainstorming ideas with a friend versus writing a formal business report. Claude can adapt to match those different contexts. Here's how it works. You can set preferences for how Claude writes and responds. This affects everything from word choice to sentence structure to the overall tone. Let me show you 3 common styles. First is casual and friendly. In this mode, Claude might say something like, "Hey, so here's what I found. The data shows some really interesting patterns. Want me to break it down further?" This style works great for personal projects, creative brainstorming, or when you just want a more conversational experience. Second is professional style. Here, Claude would say, "The analysis reveals significant patterns in the dataset. I recommend proceeding with the 3-phase approach outlined below." This is perfect for business documents, formal reports, client communications, or any professional setting. Third is concise and direct. Claude might respond, "Data shows clear trend. 3 action items. Optimize pipeline, expand testing, deploy by Friday." This style is ideal when you're busy, need quick answers, or want to cut through the fluff. You can customize the style in your settings, and you can even have different styles for different projects. So your marketing project might use casual and creative language, while your financial analysis project uses formal professional language. The key is that you're in control. Claude adapts to you, not the other way around.
Let's talk about how Claude stays current with web search and deep research capabilities. Here's an important thing to know. Claude's training data has a knowledge cutoff date, which means Claude doesn't inherently know about events or information after that date. This is true for all AI models. They're trained on data up to a certain point in time. But Claude has web search capabilities that solve this limitation. When you enable web search, Claude can go out to the internet in real time to find current information. This is a game changer for many use cases. There are 2 main features here. First is web search for quick, targeted lookups. This is perfect when you need the latest news, current prices or statistics, recent product releases, or up-to-date documentation.
For example, you might ask, what are the latest developments in quantum computing? Or what's the current exchange rate for euros? Claude searches the web and brings back current information with citations. The second feature is deep research. This is much more comprehensive. When you activate deep research mode, Claude doesn't just do a quick search. It conducts thorough research across multiple sources, synthesizes the information, and creates a detailed report for you. Deep research is ideal for market research when you're exploring a new business opportunity, competitive analysis to understand what competitors are doing, literature reviews for academic or professional research, and technical deep dives when you need to understand a complex topic in detail. The process works like this. Claude formulates a research plan, searches across many relevant sources, reads and analyzes the content, identifies patterns and insights, and then creates a comprehensive report with citations. You can enable web search with a simple toggle in your chat, and deep research is available as a separate mode. Both features cite their sources, so you can verify the information and explore further if needed.
Beyond the core features we've covered, Claude has several advanced capabilities that expand what you can do. First is voice conversations. On mobile and supported devices, you can actually talk to Claude using your voice instead of typing. You speak naturally, and Claude responds with spoken audio. This is incredibly useful when you're on the go, multitasking, or just prefer talking over typing. It makes the interaction feel much more natural and conversational. Second, automatic citations. When Claude uses web search to find information, it doesn't just give you the answer. It provides citations to the sources. This means you can verify the information, explore the original sources for more detail, and have confidence in where the information came from. This is crucial for research, fact-checking, and professional work where accuracy matters. Third is chat history search. If you've been using Claude for a while, you might have dozens or even hundreds of conversations. Claude can search through your entire chat history to find past conversations. You might remember discussing something weeks ago but can't find it. Just ask Claude to search for it. This makes it easy to reference past work without manually scrolling through all your chats. Fourth, code execution. This is powerful. Claude can actually run code in a secure environment. This means Claude can analyze your data by running calculations, create visualizations and charts from your data, verify that code actually works by running it, and process files programmatically. This takes Claude beyond just writing code to actually executing it and showing you the results. And finally, integrations and the API. For developers and businesses, Claude is available through an API. This means you can integrate Claude into your own applications, workflows, and systems. Companies use this to build AI features into their products, automate workflows, and create custom solutions. There are also pre-built integrations with tools you might already use. These advanced features make Claude incredibly versatile, whether you're working individually or integrating AI into larger systems.
Now let's cover some best practices to help you get the absolute most out of Claude. These tips come from extensive experience and user feedback, and they can dramatically improve your results. First, be specific. Vague requests lead to generic responses. Instead of saying, "help me code," try, "write a Python function that sorts a list of dictionaries by a specific key," handling cases where the key might be missing. The more specific you are, the more targeted and useful Claude's response will be. Think of it like giving directions. The more detail you provide, the more likely you'll get exactly where you want to go. Second, provide context. Share relevant background information, any constraints you're working with, and your ultimate goals. For example, if you're asking for marketing copy, tell Claude about your target audience, brand voice, and what action you want readers to take. The more Claude understands about your situation, the better it can tailor its responses. Third, use projects for ongoing work. If you're working on something over multiple sessions, create a project for it. Add relevant files, set custom instructions, and keep all related conversations together. This way, you don't have to re-explain everything each time, and Claude maintains continuity across your work. Fourth, iterate and refine. Don't expect perfection on the first response. Claude is designed for back-and-forth collaboration. If the first response is close but not quite right, say, make it more formal, or add error handling for edge cases. This iterative process usually produces much better final results than trying to craft the perfect initial prompt. Fifth, try different approaches. If a prompt isn't working well, rephrase it or approach it from a different angle. Sometimes describing what you want in a completely different way can unlock much better results.
Think of it as having a conversation. If someone doesn't understand you one way, you naturally try explaining it differently. And sixth, leverage examples. Show Claude examples of what you want whenever possible. If you want a report in a certain format, share a similar report. If you want code in a specific style, show an example. Concrete examples are incredibly powerful for conveying exactly what you're looking for. These practices will transform how you use Claude. The difference between average results and great results often comes down to how you interact with the tool.
We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's wrap up with the key takeaways. Before that, I request you to consider becoming a member. Click Join right below this video. So, Claude is much more than a simple chatbot. It's a comprehensive AI assistant with powerful features designed to make your work easier, faster, and more productive. Remember the core features we discussed. Use artifacts when you're creating code, documents, or interactive content. They keep your work visible and make iterations seamless. Organize your work with projects, especially for anything that spans multiple sessions. Projects keep everything together and maintain context automatically. Customize your experience with memory and style settings so Claude adapts to your preferences rather than you having to adjust to Claude. Enable web search when you need current information and use deep research for comprehensive analysis of complex topics. And remember to iterate. The best results come from back and forth collaboration where you refine what Claude produces. The best way to learn is by doing it. Visit claude.ai to get started. Try creating an artifact. Set up a project for something you're working on. Experiment with different features to see what works best for your workflow. Claude is designed to be intuitive, but like any powerful tool, you'll discover new capabilities as you use it. Don't hesitate to ask Claude itself for help. You can literally ask, how do I use projects? Or show me how to create an artifact, and Claude will guide you through it. Thank you for your time today. I hope this video has shown you how to unlock Claude's full potential. Now go explore and see what you can create. Post it in the comments so others can learn from you. And I will see you in the next video.